What's up everybody, you're watching MakorVik Gaming YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you 30,000 PC budget PC build. So without wasting time, let's roll the intro and get started.
Let's roll.
3, 2, 1.
First we are going to buy processor that is AMD Ryzen 3 3200 grams with Vega 8 graphics. Its integrated graphics is so powerful it at least cost 9,000 Indian rupee. It has 4 core up 4 threads and it is a budget CPU plus GPU. Then we are going to buy a RAM. We are going to buy 2 RAMs of 4 GB that equals to 8 GB of RAM because and processor supports dual channel memory, so we are going to buy 2 RAMs of 4 GB. Now it's time for graphics cards, so we are going to buy nvidia GT 722 GB which costs at least 4 or 5,000 Indian rupee. It is a budget GPU. Now we are going to buy a motherboard which is Asus Prime XDDR4 motherboard which costs 5,000 Indian rupee, and yeah, it is a budget and best motherboard. Now we are going to buy Zotaoc power supply which is circle 450 watt power supply which costs 3,000 Indian rupee. Now it's time for cabinet. We are going to buy eSports mid-tower mesh gaming cabinet which costs 4,000 Indian rupees. Now this full cost 29,000, and the monitor, keyboard, mouse depends upon you. Okay, for today this much only. I will meet you in the next video. Till that, take care and bye bye.